Good evening and welcome to my channel Economics Chit Chat, and it's a great pleasure meeting you again today on this video. As I was talking about yesterday, the bounce back is again in the market. And the momentum is again being a questionable act for most of you, no doubt about it. You will again come back and tell me that, sir, it is happening again, it's going back, it's coming back. Yeah, it's like a wave which raises and comes back again. Yes, there's no doubt about it. But at the end of the day, I would again like to reiterate the same point again and again. We are not losing the bullish momentum at any given point of time. It is going on. And as I was talking about certain PSU banks and their PSU stocks, yesterday I was talking about Canara Bank, and today, if you would have looked into Canara Bank, yesterday it was at 550, the closing point of time. Today it went as high as 567. 17 rupees it moved up altogether. So if you would have taken up that stock, definitely yes, that's a very positive move for you. I'm still expecting Canara Bank to go as high as almost 650 rupees in the long term. Now, today morning, there has also been a positive rating for SBI, being a very stable bank and its positive outlook. So definitely institutional analysts have given a higher rating. They moved it up to 860 rupees in terms of the rating. Now, with that part of it, the PSUs coming into the picture, of course, they will be attractive in the long run. But the main news for today is the Reliance and Disney coming together. A huge amount of contract, and again, Reliance trying to become a monopoly when it comes to the media world also. Will Reliance take over the media world altogether? Will that be a great impact? Again, will the shares go up? Definitely, yes, they have gone up today because of the good news. The momentum has picked up in terms of the value. But then when you look into the long-term perspective of Reliance coming into media and again trying to dominate that space, like what they have done in retail or what they've done in the Geo, the mobile services and that of internet, probably we will not be able to give you a complete guarantee on that. But then if I look into this factor, yes, this is going to create another competition in the market, a one-sided competition, definitely. And probably in the future, the many events that are going to be hosted up, definitely Reliance would have an edge over it. So the Reliance stock would keep on adding value in the coming years. So if you're retaining that share, definitely yes, probably within another 2 to 3 months, the stock value would definitely go more than 3,200 plus altogether. Now, the other side, what I'm looking here in terms of the agreement and the factors is that now Disney finding a suitable, alliance like Reliance in terms of the picture. Disney would definitely find this as a very, very strategic input so that they would be able to go up and climb up in the market. They will definitely get an edge. But for Reliance, let us see that this is only an investment. This is not their core business. So you need to wait and watch about this factor, how this is going to turn and take it up altogether. With that, I would also like to reiterate on the factor that, overall, if you have been seeing for some time, there has been a fall in terms of the OMCs. Now, when I'm talking about Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum, they have not been considerably falling downwards altogether. But nevertheless, I would say that this is not going to continue for a very long time. So I would say wait for Indian oil stock to come down to below 160, and that would be the right time for you to pick it up, and then the bullish momentum would also start continuing there. So please keep an eye on Indian oil also. Once it touches 160, and then that would be the right buying space for you. Followed by which I would also look into GAIL as a very, very important stock, the gas distribution factor wide together. And I would say that they have a potential to cross 175 in the long run coming up altogether. Why? Because there is an opportunity for it to go up. Tata Motors, another pick from my side, which I would definitely look into it. Tata Motors is already a 950 plus share, but I'm looking at Tata Motors to go up to 1040 rupees in the long run. And not to forget our Mahindra and Mahindra, which can go up to 2060. So both in the automotive space, as I am talking about altogether, plus in terms of the PSU stocks, which have been looking forward, all these things have a potential to raise and go forward in the coming days. So please have a quite close look into it, and definitely you would be able to make a good fortune. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me today on my channel. I hope and believe that all this information will help you to make your intelligent choices in terms of your investment, and let's grow together with a good portfolio. Thank you once again. Have a great day.